Hey guys, Joe Hancock here. We all love whiteboards. We love to put our ideas on them, share everything we have. But what happens when your idea is gone? So before they get erased, save them. A lot of people sometimes will take pictures of them, but they don't come out as good. I've got a great tool. It's called Microsoft Lens, and it has a tool on it called Whiteboard, and it saves it perfectly and allows you to share it to whatever you want to share it to. Check it out. So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is select Whiteboard, then you take the picture, and then it will process it and make it a nice presentation, allowing you to be able to share it. Then you hit done, and you move it to where you can share it to OneNote, OneDrive. You can also select other areas we would like to share it to, like Evernote or Drive or wherever you like. And it's really easy to use. So check it out, Microsoft Lens. It's an awesome tool. You're going to love it. Have a great day.